All right, now we're ready to move into the loan finalization side of things. And what this goes into is a process called underwriting. And underwriting is the institution's ability to fully guarantee your loan, to say that, yes, all of this financing is in place. We are good with you, Mr. or Miss Buyer, as a client of ours, and we are ready to give you the mortgage you need to purchase this home because we fully trust your willingness and ability to repay the debt you're taking on from us. Underwriting is going to look at every financial thing you have. They're going to look at all your tax return documents. They're going to look at your bank statements. They're going to look at any cash you have on hand, all of your assets available. And this is such a crucial stage because they are fully identifying everything that there is to know and making sure you are set up from a financial standpoint to be able to purchase the home that you're purchasing. While it seems like a long and lengthy process, it's very important to set you up for your long-term success. And so they're going to ask you for everything. They're going to ask you for banking details. They're going to ask you for tax returns. They're going to pull credit. And it's important that you stay on top of the deadlines here in a timely manner. Your real estate agent will help with that, and the lending institution is going to work with you directly to help with that, whether it's a mortgage company or a bank or whoever you're working with here. But that underwriting process is going to ultimately make sure you have the financing in place and it fully finalized to be able to purchase this home. And you can't close on the home until it's done. So staying on top of all your deadlines, getting your documents prepped is so critical. And if you have any questions along the way, stay in touch with your real estate team. I know I sound like a broken record at this standpoint, but the clearer your communication is with your agent, with your lending team, and with anyone else on your side in the transaction is so critical to your success. So be sure to follow along with what's needed and get it in place so your loan can get in place in time for you to close. And one more quick piece of advice: when you're in the underwriting process, when you're looking to buy a house, do not, under any circumstances, go out and make tons of large purchases, open new lines of credit, open a ton of new anything. Don't go buy a car. This is my advice as a realtor. These types of things are red flags for lending institutions. You want things to be as stable as possible during the process of underwriting. So work with your lending institution to get a full list of things you should and shouldn't do. But just in general, you want to keep major purchases to a minimum during this time so that your financial picture stays stable and that the lending institution can underwrite your loan successfully.